Hello, good morning! I'm your teacherpreneur coach Glenda at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa TPC, dapat alam mo lahat ng commands and processes dito sa ating load negosyo. First one is how to load. So, dapat kung TPC member ka, sa pag-load pa lang, dapat kabisado mo na. So, sa pag-load, pupunta ka lang sa right message and then you will type the mobile number, space, the product code or the amount, and then you will send that to our gateway which is 8724 or the 11-digit gateway for TM and Globe. Paano naman kung nakatanggap ka ng ganitong error message? Duplicate SMS. Ibig sabihin yan, baka ikaw ay nag-load ng same amount at same number sa same time or within 2 hours. So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is just type the mobile number, space the amount, space, lalagyan mo lang siya ng character like ABC or 123 para ma-detect ni system na iba na or pangalawang load na ang gagawin mo. And then you will send that to TPC gateway which is 8724 or the 11-digit gateway for TM and Globe. Yan ang maganda kay TPC dahil filtered ang messages natin, hindi tayo magda-double send or hindi tayo madedetectan ng twice kung hindi natin ito lalagyan ng characters or hindi natin intentional na ilo-load ulit. Another is activate system user. So, paano naman tayo mag-activate ng another retailer? So, just type app or ACT space mobile number nang i-activate mo /full name /address. So, for address, pwede mo lang ilagay Manila, Quezon City, or Caloocan. Take note, kapag tayo po ay dealer na mag-activate ng another retailer, dapat meron tayong 100 na load wallet. Kapag naman ikaw ay retailer at mag-activate ng another retailer, dapat may 150 load wallet ka dahil yung 100 mapupunta yan sa i-activate mong retailer, 40 pesos mapupunta kay dealer, and 10 pesos para naman sa system maintenance. Paano naman kung halimbawang na-load mo na at may confirmation na sa'yo pero sinasabi ni client na hindi siya nakatanggap ng load? Ganito lang ang gagawin natin. Just type RF space trace number na galing doon sa load confirmation na nabawas sa'yo, and then you will just send that to 8724 or ating gateway or the 11-digit gateway for TM and Globe. Ito ang maganda kay TPC dahil kapag unsuccessful ang load natin, nare-refund po natin ito. And take note po, itong refund po natin ay para lang po sa mga unsuccessful load. Take note din po na ang ating request for refund ay valid lang po within 3 days. So dapat kapag unsuccessful po ang loading natin, within 3 days po ay makapag-request po tayo agad ng refund. Kapag naman ikaw ay isang dealer, mobile stockist, or city stockist, paano naman mag-transfer ng load credit sa ating mga retailers? Just simply type the mobile number, space, LC, and the amount, and then send it to 8724 gateway or the 11-digit gateway for Globe and TM. Paano naman kung ikaw ay magko-convert na iyong A-fund to load credit? Just simply type convert, space, amount, and then send it to 8724 gateway or the 11-digit gateway for our TM and Globe. Paano naman mag-encash at idiretso ito sa iyong bangko? Just simply type encash, space amount, space bank, space account number, space account name, and send it to 8724 gateway or the 11-digit gateway for TM and Globe. Take note din po na 550 ang minimum encashment. So 500 for your encashment and 50 pesos for the processing fee para sa existing bank account. Paano naman mag-upgrade from silver to gold and platinum? For gold upgrade, just simply type upgold space activation code /username and then send it to 8724 gateway or 11-digit gateway for TM and Globe. For platinum upgrade naman, just type upgrade space activation code /username and then send it to 8724 gateway or 11-digit gateway for TM and Globe. Take note po na kapag mag-upgrade po tayo to gold and platinum, dapat ang gagamitin nating number na pang-encode ay yung number kung saan encoded yung username na i-upgrade mo. Next is how do we check our balance? Usually, merong nakalagay na remaining balance sa text confirmation na natatanggap natin every time na after tayo mag-load. Pwede rin naman na you text BAL or BAL and then send it to 8724 gateway or 11-digit gateway for TM and Globe. How do we check naman our commissionable fund? Just type CFund and then send it to 8724 gateway or 11-digit gateway for TM and Globe. Next is how do we activate a system owner or a dealer? Just text join space activation code /mobile number /the full name of the dealer /the user ID or the desired user ID, usually first and last name and then the number of account /sponsor user ID kung sino ang nagpa-avail /placement user ID and /A or B or sa left and right side. Ayan, so that's all for the commands and processes for TPC. So dapat kapag member ka na ni TPC, alam mo ang lahat ng ito. Dahil lamang ang may alam. Bye!